Hi guys, if you want a car shining like this, watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you a secret of how to make your shiny car with waxing and polishing. I'll tell you everything you would like to know about how to do it, how much would be the time requirement, what would be the price to do it, and everything. So, if you want to make your car look like brand new, watch this video till the end. And my name is Prem Asim Jain. I am passionate about making the cars clean, maintaining them, and I help people via my blog to learn the same. All you need, how to apply, what are the equipments. Let's try to go with everything without wasting any time. So this wax is a liquid wax. There are so many other kind of wax, but this is one of the easiest kind of wax which you need to do. Now what you do is you can get these stains like the liquid wax. You can pour a little bit of the wax on the surface where you would like to apply. This is like a cream, right? And then you can either do it manually, like you can spread it across so that it starts shining really good, or you could use something like the machine, a rotary, any kind of rotary stuff. This is also very effective, and then this saves labor, and this also performs really well. You can get it in Amazon for 10-15 bucks to 30 bucks depending on whatever you would like. You can find the review of this on my Amazon video, which also has the link. You can also find the link to buy this on my Amazon store in the video. Or if you would like to go cheaper, you can just use any of the handrail, and then this is something soft by which you could also like spread the wax across, something like this. So this would also help, but generally what I prefer is this machine because this is easy to handle and you could see the kind of spread which it has. This is phenomenal. So I'm just trying to spread the wax across. And then another thing which, please remember that before applying the wax on any surface, make sure it is clean, and then you might need paper like a towel like this, microfiber, so you rub it off all the dust whatever you might have, and then you can apply this wax. This wax will not only give you a shine, but it also protects your color from UV lights. So this would protect from UV light, and then also from the water damages and a lot of cool stuff. So applying any wax once a year or 6 months will help you maintain the shine of your car. I just applied it here, and this is the mirror finish. You could see this is the automatic garage door opener, and you can see the mirror reflection of it. One more thing you need to remember is you have to do it section by section. You can see the difference here versus here. This is dry and this is like all waxed and shined versus this. So if you will put the liquid all over the place and then start applying the wax, it would dry out. So what I did is first I did this section, then I did this section, and then this section. Now this is the final section wherein I'll apply liquid and then do the rubbing or the waxing, or we also call it as buffing. Then I'll take this section, after this, like each section by section. That way you are able to do it nicely. Few more advantages of waxing is whenever a water droplet comes on, it falls or it slips easily because of the wax or the shiny protection. It also protects from the UV light, and then shining is of course a good thing. So not only it is for decoration, but it is also there to protect your color, your metal, and basically your car as a maintenance to make it long lasting. You see the mirror finish again, right? So one more product after doing the waxing you could use is this Neo Finish, the once a year car polish. This is #1 best selling. Applying this is very easy. You have to just take some little amount of product on a soft cloth and just rub it, and then you are able to see this is mirror finish. You could see the shining all over the place. That is me. You can see my legs here. So the results are really awesome if you apply the wax for protection and then apply the polish. I'll tell you about the cost and the time. So I have been doing this, it took me about maybe couple of hours, that's it. So once a year if you spend couple of hours in waxing and polishing, the result is good. Now this is not very expensive, maybe 10 to 12 bucks on Amazon, and same is with the wax. So instead of paying professionally like couple of $100, you can just invest $20, and this is lasting me for years. Like the wax which I showed you, that is, I have used it at least 10 times in last 8 years. And this car is a 8-year-old car. It shines as if this is like brand new, but this is not a brand new car. It is 8-year-old 2017 Honda CR-V. So if you have a new car or even an old car but you want the shining like this, just do the waxing, do the polishing once a year. And for any questions, for any comments, you could leave it on the on my video, and I'll respond back. From the video description you could also get the link of these products.